Hey y'all, just wanted to pop in here and give you a little demo. So if you haven't seen me before, hi, I'm John Paul. Some of you haven't. But what I wanted to do is share something we're working on to a very small group of people out there, like yourself, on what we're doing. So welcome to my home office here. And what I wanted to do is show you kind of where we're at with a product called Lumentis. We created Lumentis to basically try and connect companies with their existing customers and match them up to new prospects. The whole idea around Lumentis is getting new prospects. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of kind of where we're at. We're a few months from being able to move into beta. But you know what, as any entrepreneur, I just couldn't wait to show a little bit of kind of what we're doing. So what I want to do is I'm going to share my screen here with you and walk you through just a few of the features we have here. And so you can kind of get a taste of it. So here is Lumentis, what it looks like when you first log in. And this kind of looks like Google Maps with a whole bunch of little colored dots on it. And you're right, this is an application that we are building on top of Google Maps. But basically what all these little dots are households. These are houses. And if I start zooming in, those little dots tell you something unique about each little house, each house that's out there. And I'm not going to show you what's behind a dot yet, but I will kind of walk you through a little bit of what we have, okay? So we have projects here where you can create projects in Lumentis to save different things that you do here, share them out with your marketing team and different things. But what's most interesting here is where you can come in and start selecting regions of people. So for instance, I can do your typical radius search on grabbing different households. And that's nice. I can move it around, things like that. And I can limit it to just the people in that region if I want to. Or rather than doing that, I can, you know what, if I want, I can select households right here, just these, and done, and save that as a little project. The idea here is that so many businesses, they typically order data from a lot of list brokers out there in order to find new customers. But as you can imagine, usually you're sitting on the phone with somebody or going through an online forum saying, you know, I want everybody in this zip code or this radius search, and give me everybody with these parameters, and they send you a comma delimited file or something along those lines. What we wanted to do is kind of show you what this might look like from a visual standpoint to help you find things, find households, people to market to a little bit easier, as well as applying filters. So I can come in here and start saying, you know what, I want everybody that makes this much money, and apply the filters, and you see it changed everybody out. And hey, you know what, I want households that have just young kids. I'm going to apply that. Look at there. All right. So there's some households that have ages 6 to 10. There's a household that has kids ages 0 to 2. Now, we don't know how many kids they do have, but you get the idea. I can go after a much better targeted list of people, so I don't have to spend as much money, and I'm targeting people that are much more in line with what I'm selling, or what service I have, or you name it, whatever your goal is as a business or an organization, you can target a much tighter audience, spend less money on both the data side as well as your marketing efforts in order to get new customers. So we've got some really neat stuff we're doing here over the next couple of months to add into this to make it even better, including things like connecting up to Salesforce, connecting up to your marketing automation platform. Or, hey, you know what, let's say these are your best customers. We could have a little button here that says, show me my best prospects who aren't in my customer database that look just like these. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? So that's what we're working towards. There's a lot more to come after that, but that's what Lumentis is all about. So that said, I just wanted to give you a little taste of kind of where we are and what we're working on. We're well down the road on this, and there's a lot of companies, yay, that are interested in this thing. So we're pretty excited about it, and I just wanted to throw it out there for you. And I guess that's it. Thanks, and I'll share more as we have it.